Did you know that your phone camera can record videos and take pictures without your permission? Just because that you don't see a green light in front of your front end camera does not mean that it is not recording the videos or taking pictures. In this video, I will show you the complete settings that you need to change to stop your camera spying on you, and it will also help you to preserve your battery. So starting with step 1, open the main settings on your phone and then look for the apps. Click on that, then go to the search and search for camera. Click on the camera app, and here you need to click the permissions to see what all camera is allowed to access. However, you will not see everything over here. So in order to see the complete permissions, you need to click these 3 vertical dots and then click all permissions. Here you will see everything that your camera has access to. You can see that it has a full access to your network also. So now the point is, why should your camera have this network access while you can take photos and videos without the internet access? So this is not the only setting that I'm going to show you, but anyways, we will go back, click on that, and then with staying within the camera app, click change system settings, and here you need to toggle this switch to off position, allow permissions, right? Next, go back and then staying within the camera, click onto battery, and here you would see most probably your phone would have unrestricted selected by default, which allows battery usage in background without restriction. Now your camera doesn't need to work in the background, because once you take picture the camera is always on. So why would the camera should stay on in the background? So you need to click this restricted. By the way, if you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like. Next, return to the main menu settings, then look for security and privacy, and within that click on privacy. Here you need to click permissions, and by default you would see the 24 hours. You should select 7 days and then select camera, and here you would see every app which accessed your camera during the last 7 days. So if you see any suspicious app or an app which may not be suspicious, but you don't want that app should have an access to camera in the background, or you did not use it, so you need to change that. You click onto these 3 vertical dots and click manage apps with permissions, and as an example I will cover only Messenger, but you can select the app which you want to deny the access of camera in the background. We'll select Messenger, and then from these 3 options we will select ask every time, so that even when we are trying to use the video call on Messenger, it will ask us for the permission. Now we will try that. We will open the Messenger app and we will start the video call, and you will see that it has asked us allow Messenger to take pictures and record videos, and we will select only this time, and that's it. So that's how you deny your camera to take pictures, your apps to access the camera, and preserve your battery. Don't forget to like and subscribe.